Okay guys, welcome to the video that walks you through challenge 5. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the challenge 4 file open. And if you need to know how to do that, hopefully you do by now. This is the 5th one we're doing, but if you don't, go back to the video for challenge 1. I walk you through how to open the file. Okay, so we are in the challenge 4 file. First thing we want to do is save it. And so that it's challenge 5. So we come up to the top, to the middle, and we type in what we want it to be called. So I'm going to call this challenge 5 potentiometer. So that's a funny word. Okay, click save as. It's going to come up right here. Say save. Okay, so now it's challenge 5. So for this challenge, we are adding code for a potentiometer. So up here in the comment, we're going to write that because that's the goal of this particular challenge. All right, so we're building onto this code. We're going to leave everything as it is, and we're just going to add some code to it. So I'm going to bring up another comment. I'll snap that right on, and I will write. So we know that the code coming after this is specifically code for the potentiometer. All right, so for this one, we're going to need to go to control, and we're going to need to find a wait until block. Drag it out. We're going to need 2 of them. And then we are going to need to go to the operators, and we're going to need to drag out a greater than and a less than. So a greater than and a less than. And hopefully you know this, but those are distinguished by the way that the arrows are facing in the middle. Okay, we're also going to need to drag out the code that points to the potentiometer. So we'll go to sensing, and then we scroll down to potentiometer. So we'll bring that over here. We're going to need 2 of those. And then we're also going to need some commands for the motor. So go to motion and spin motor forward, stop motor. And we can configure those in just a minute. All right, so first things first, we're going to put in the potentiometer command inside the operator, the one on top, the greater than, and we're going to drag it over until it lights up yellow. We're going to put it on the one on the left, just like that, and then we're going to put this inside the wait until. We do the same thing down here. Drag it over into the left area, and then drag the whole thing over into the wait until. Okay? All right, so next we can snap this on, and then we can snap on the spin left motor, and then snap on the wait until less than, and then snap on the stop left motor. So what's going to happen here with this code on top, it's going to do what it did before. That is, when we run it, it's going to turn the LED light on immediately. Then when we hit the limit switch, it'll turn 2 motors on. Then when we hit the bump switch, it'll turn off the motors or turn off the light. But something else is going to happen because this code is here too. As long as the potentiometer reading is above 50%, the left motor will stay running. When it goes below 50%, it'll stop. All right, so I'm going to save this code. I'm going to download it. And then I'm going to run it. And I will provide a video snapshot of the controller so you can see what I'm talking about in terms of the code reading. In addition to that, I'll give you just a quick video of what the whole thing looks like.